How to lock your album on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can lock your album on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to lock your album, tap on the profile photo that you can see on the top left. After that, you will get the My Albums option. Tap on it. It will now show you all the albums that you have on the app. In order to lock a particular album, tap on the three dots that you can find on that specific album. After that, go to album sharing. Now in this screen, you'll see list of people that you have shared your album with. Since it's a dummy account, I don't have any person on the list. However, if you have shared your album, you will see a list of all the people that you have shared it with. Now in order to lock your album, you'll have to manually choose the person to whom you want to lock it. For example, if you want to lock the album to a particular person, simply tap on that person's profile and then you will get the option saying stop sharing. Tap on stop sharing and the particular album will not be shared with that person. So in this way you can lock your album on Grindr and not let a particular person to see it. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.